Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So once again, it's about wig. So today we're gonna be working with this hair, and I just want to show you before we do the install all the work and stuff I have to do with this wig was brought in by my client. This is not from my shop, okay? So this is a tpartwig, teapot closure, and I'm not sure where she got this from, but maybe we can ask her just in case you're interested in this hair. But the curls is beautiful and soft, so that's what's up. So what I'm gonna do with this, I still have to bleach the knots. That's what I'm thinking. I still have to bleach it because, as usual, I like to have that perfect, clean, and nice finishing. So I was thinking if I should go in and do some pluckings because it's a teapot. It have the tracks coming out here, and it's like an inch of lace, okay, where you can pluck. So I'm afraid I don't want to pluck and then we end up with the tracks showing, or I should go ahead and do a little bit. I don't know, but before then I'm about to go and bleach the knots. After bleaching the knots, I will play around and see what I can do with this. But at the end of the day, we got to make sure this hair look beautiful when we do the install. All right, y'all, so stay tuned and let's get into it. That's funny with my tongue sticking out there. Okay, so it's the next day and we about to do the install. This is gonna be easy, it's gonna be fast and simple. All right, it's a teapot wig, so there's nothing much you really have to do. You just don't want to be that extra because it's a simple wig. So but I'm still gonna follow a few steps, that is cleaning the skin and preparing it for the install. That's what you saw me doing with the alcohol, and then I used the gotta be glue, the gotta be gel, and slick back the edges so that the glue doesn't get on her hair, or just in case some does, that baby's still gonna come out good. Okay, at this point I'm just making sure the cap fits her hair really good and making all necessary adjustments to it, because once you put the glue down, there's no going back. So you make sure it's sitting right where I want it to sit before I put the glue on. So guys, we will be using our Superior Whole waterproof lace glue. Well, this is from my shop. You want to check it out at Kelsey's Unique Hair. This glue is really good, really strong, and yeah, we got a lot in stock, so get yours. So I usually do 3 to 4 layers. So I put down the first layer, let it clear, and then go again at least 4 times if you want a really good hold. So using a blow dryer is just to speed up the process, but you can leave it to air dry if you want. So either way works. So I'm gonna go ahead and just lay the wig on the glue exactly to where I stop the glue, there where you should stop the lace. Okay. So I'm using the comb to just press it down, make sure it's all in there, and that also help with melting the glue while applying heat and combing the hair back, and that help gets all the unnecessary glue just in case off the lace, and you can clearly see your part. Okay. So at this point, I'm just gonna tie it down just to help set it a little bit. Make sure that glue is melted down and the lace is where it's supposed to be. Okay, stuck down in there. So I'm gonna leave it on and then just set the hair and then I can go back and do my baby hair. And so either way we could do or no edges and stuff, but then I asked her if she wanted edges and she said yes. So I'm about to go in and give her what she wants. So yep, that looks look good. It looks so good. All right, yeah. So we're about to wrap this up. Yep. At this point, even if the mousse gets on the list, it's gonna be fine because it's really sleeping. Ain't going nowhere. It's holding. As I said earlier, the glue is waterproof, so water not just gonna get it off easy. So yeah, see that, baby? Now I'm just gonna tie it down, let it to set, and then help her to do other stuff. We'll be back with that. We'll be back with the finishing. All right. Let it set a little bit and then it should be good. So this is it. Yeah. I didn't do no plucking because I didn't anything. So just bleach the nuts really good. The nuts look really good. It looks really good. Bleach well. I love what it's giving me. Love the turnout of it. take the hair tie off. You should be good to go. Getting yourself ready for your latches on while we wear the latches.
The part is to keep the latches on for at least a couple of days until you yourself will take it off. So try it and it'll work. How does it feel? You sure? Alright guys, so her latches on. That looks good. She says comfortable enough, so she's the one wearing it. Ooh, that is melted down, okay? Wellis. Wellis. That is melted down and I love it. It looks so pretty. Thank you so much. It looks so cute. Now you can take a look. Wait, stay right there. Right there. My mirror is a little bit dirty. Don't look. I'll just give her this to look at.
Ooh.
Oh my God.
Oh. You like it?
Wow. Oh, I love it. Thank you.
Yeah.
So beautiful. Oh my God.
I know, so neat.
Wow.
And nice. So thanks, honey.
Girl, you know your job.